This is a short video demonstrating how to contribute an item to the World Tree Project digital archive. The World Tree Project is a community collection initiative in the field of Old Norse-Icelandic studies, and we're collecting all material relating to the teaching and study of the Vikings. The item you choose to submit might be a photo of a Viking site, it might be a video of an event or reconstruction, it might be an article or literature relating to the Vikings. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to www.worldtreeproject.org. Here you'll find our homepage where you can browse recently added items, you can read more about the project, and you can look at sample exhibits and collections to see what we'll do with the material that we collect. To add to our collection, navigate to Contribute an Item in the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see our contribution module, and the first thing you'll need to do is decide what kind of item you want to submit to the project. In this drop-down list you can choose an image, event, video, website, and so on. Next you'll need to upload your file by clicking on Choose File. I'm going to add a photo of the sea stallion from Glendalough Viking ship. The first field to fill in then is title, and this should be a descriptive title relating to the object that you're submitting. So here, the sea stallion from Glendalough Viking ship sailing near Copenhagen. The description of the image can be a little bit more involved. You can give some information about the image, and you can also include keywords that you want us to include to help people to search for that item. The date is the period of time associated with the item that you're submitting. It might be the date at which a photograph was taken or a text was written. The contributor is you generally, and the rights will also be your name associated with the item that you're submitting. The coverage then can refer to either the time period that the item relates to. This might be broad, such as Viking Age or modern, and it can also refer to the geographical coverage of the item. This could be Scandinavia, it could be Orkney. The one field that's required is the email field. Here I'm just going to add in the project email address. You can then specify exactly where the item was. This is particularly useful if it's an artifact, and you can specify the find location. Finally, you have to fill in this little captcha for security and click on I agree to the terms and conditions. This allows us to make the object public for reuse for educational purposes. You can also choose to contribute anonymously, but it really helps us if we have a way of getting in touch with you if there's any clarification about the object needed. Once you've filled in as many fields as you can, click on Contribute, and the item will then be added to the collection. You'll receive this message if it's gone through correctly. If you're intending to submit multiple contributions, you can log in or register as a user, and that will also give you additional privileges on the site, for example the ability to comment and give feedback on some of our items. If you have any questions about how to contribute or the kinds of items that we're interested in collecting, you can look at the How to Contribute section and the About section, which is also replicated in Danish and Norwegian currently. You can also contact us using the contact form or by sending us an email to worldtreeproject@ucc.ie.